Hello. I'm playing with this. My friend got me one of those flowers that like lasts for a year. So I just put that down, keep playing with it. But I want to have a quick big sister moment with all of you because I know that there's a lot of college freshmen watching our channel. There's also a lot of transfer students watching our channel and just students who are saying to themselves, this year is going to be my year. I didn't get involved my freshman year, but sophomore year, look out, right? So for all of you who are thinking ahead and planning ahead and just have that intern queen mindset, let's talk through how you can get involved on campus. I have a few tips for you and just things for you to think about. My first tip is go to your school website, right? So like Florida State University, whatever the school is, and click on either campus life, student activities, and you'll find a huge list of every club that your school has. And just go through, and I get it, you're not gonna know exactly what each club does by the name and the little description they provide, but you'll get a sense. So I really encourage you to kind of make a big list. You could put it in a spreadsheet, put it in the notes app on your phone, but just make a list of things that sound interesting. My second piece of advice is if you know anyone in college, either at your school or at other schools, just text them and be like, hey, I'm thinking about getting involved on campus. Like, what should I be involved with? If you know anyone who has graduated and gone into the field that you want to go into after college because you're ahead of the game and you already know, ask them. Say, hey, I'm about to start college at Cornell next semester. I'm thinking about what groups to join. I still really want to work for a newspaper when I graduate. What kind of clubs should I get involved with? Because they might know of clubs and organizations on campus that you've never even heard of, right? So this can be really helpful. Now remember, not every school has every single organization. The same thing happens with Greek life, right? I was in Phi Mu at Florida State. I transferred to UCF. They didn't even have my sorority, so I was automatic alumni status. So keep that in mind as you're looking. But kind of make this list, and that way, when you go to your schools, like campus activities fair, whether it's virtual, outside, in person, whatever it is, you'll have an idea of what booths you want to approach. The next piece of advice I have for you guys is that it's quality over quantity, meaning you don't need to be a part of everything. When I went to college, I think that I thought I had to be a part of everything, and by trying to do that, I ended up being a part of nothing because I was stretched too thin, so I couldn't be super present in any club that I was a part of. So I really encourage you to think about quality over quantity. So maybe 2 to 3 organizations, but then be really engaged and really involved. And my final piece of advice for you guys is ask about the time commitment. Everything always sounds great. I get it. You're in the place of yes, but I want to remind you that saying no is an option and you cannot do everything. You just can't, right? Or at least you can't do it successfully. So before you join a group, even if it sounds cool, even if it's the thing everyone's talking about, understand the time commitment, right? Ask, if I'm an active member, what does that mean? How many hours a week should I plan on being involved with this organization? Because if it's a lot of hours a week, and you're going to have other clubs, and you're going to have school, and maybe work or an internship, that's a lot, right? So make sure that you ask about the time commitment. I can't wait to see what all of you get involved with on campus. Please tell me in the comments. If I could go back to college, I would be involved in PRSSA, Public Relations Student Society of America, right? I would try to get on the executive board. I would try to go to the national conference. There's so many things now that if I had known more about them when I was in college, I would have done them. So have so much fun. I can't wait to hear what you guys become a part of. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, sign up for the notifications by hitting the bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video.